Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with stampandcrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thank you so much for joining me for another live tutorial today. Continuing on with our series on celebration products from our summer celebration event, I wanted to feature the Rings of Love Designer Series paper today. Now this had sold out, and we weren't aware that it was coming back in stock. So it is back in stock, which is great because I love this paper. I've used a ton of it. Let me show you the patterns here. We have this floral pattern. This is great because it has all the seasons in it. We have a little Christmas plaid. We have fall with leaves and acorns. We have kind of a springer summer pattern here with some leaves. We have this cute house paper. We're going to use this one today. Then on the back, this kind of fun medallion. We have these wood, kind of wood slices, which we're going to use later this week with this fun woodsy sort of fall pattern, but I love the mushrooms on here. And then we have this tree pattern. And then on the back, we have some Christmas poinsettias. And then this one, this is the biggest piece I have of this left because I've used the other side of this. It has these adorable birds on one side and then this great watercolor wash on the back side. So I've used a lot of this side. So before we get started, just a reminder that measurements and supplies will be listed on my blog with the link below. During the rest of this month till the end of August, you can earn this gorgeous paper for free with just a $50 order. So the link below is for ordering. There is one for ordering. I don't know what I'm saying. And I also have a link if you would like to sign up so you get notifications for future videos. I would appreciate that so you don't miss out. Okay, so we are going to start off with a simple card this week. And then I have some fun, little more involved projects for Saturday and Monday. But I'm starting off with the base of Petal Pink. And I'm using this great house paper, and this is a housewarming card. All right, so I have a layer of Night of Navy that we're going to put this on. I love this side too. We're going to use this side later as well. All right, so we're just doing a thin border because if you have a light card base, having kind of this and lighter paper, having that dark border really makes it pop. Okay, so now I have a piece of basic white, and since we're using paper, we don't have a sentiment that goes with it. So I'm using the Amazing Phrasing. This is one of the $100 levels from our celebration brochure, but it has a ton of words. It has some nice big ones. So we're gonna kind of mix and match to make a fun housewarming card since we have house paper. So I'm only using Night of Navy ink, and I'm using the big Woohoo. I'd love to say Woohoo on a lot of stuff. I can't see it well, white on white. I'm gonna just put it over here. Hopefully we won't have a problem. We're gonna stamp right in the middle of this basic white. Ooh, that turns out so nice. Then I have a couple little strips of, what color is this? It is Petal Pink to match our card base. So I've got Woohoo, and then I have To You Too. So that's if you have a couple that is purchasing a new home or moving into a new home. Now, what if you have a single person that you want to send a card to? This is what you do. Woohoo, and then you just ink up the To You part, not to the two. You have to make sure your stamp's clean, and we're going to do just To You. And then I want the exclamation point, so let's see if we can just ink this up. You could use your You could absolutely use a marker, but I'm just going to give it a try and see if we can do it with just inking. Awesome! I love that. And then for the inside, I'm going to do You Did It. Because that's a big accomplishment, purchasing a home. You did it. Yay. And if you have an extra house, I found that I was cutting out houses the other day. I had a little extra house. I'm gonna put that right there. I was cleaning up my desk this morning and I found it and I'm like, oh, that's so cute. Okay, so let's do a little assembly. I'm just going to adhere this to this mat. Now I want to add this with some ribbon. So I'm going to use this, I can't remember, I think it's the Label Me Fancy, Label Me Lovely, I can't remember. But this punch, this one right here that has the slot and then the hole punch, I'm going to do the slot punch, but I have a hard time lining things up. So I'm going to draw a little line here. I can squeeze it in between my woohoo and the edge. I just want to make sure I get that line. There we go. And do this side. I gotta get in there so I can see it. Okay, trying to center top and bottom. All right, now we're gonna take some of this gorgeous petal pink, what is this? Soft polyester ribbon. This is so pretty. It's a little bit thick, but it's very soft. And I'm going to add some dimensionals. We're gonna pop this up, but I don't want to touch my ribbon. So I'm just putting these mini dimensionals on the top and the bottom so I can slide my ribbon if I need to. All right, let's peel these backings off. And I think I'm gonna do it right about here. So we're gonna bring this around the back, make sure it's flat. I like to leave my ribbon on the roll until I'm done so I don't have too much waste. I think still have a little too much. We can back that up. All right. I'm gonna tie a bow, not a huge bow, but I want a little one here. Cute. All right. Now we're going to adhere this to the card front. That's pretty tight, so I'm not going to worry about my bow shifting in the back. All right. Now we're going to do, we can do woohoo to you, to, or to you. I'm going to do you too, just because I feel like that's a little more common, but it doesn't have to be. So you can use the to you if you want. All right, to you too, and I'm going to add a couple dimensionals. I'm going to put them closer to the bottom because we're going to overlap just a little bit over our woohoo. All right, like that. And that is it. Well, let's get all of our mess out of the way. So super quick and easy to do. Love this one. You could bling it up a little bit too if you wanted, but yeah, very quick housewarming card or congratulations card. So thanks so much for joining me today. Let's see, we see Kat is on. Hi, Kat. I don't always get to see who all is Will is watching. Oh, I stuck my finger in there. Sorry about that. All right. I will see you back here on Saturday. And just remember, if you're in Arkansas or Missouri or somewhere else that has a tax-free weekend coming up, for Arkansas, which is where I am, tax-free weekend is Friday or Saturday and Sunday only. Missouri, I think, is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. What did I just say? Arkansas, Saturday, Sunday. So if you'd like to place an order, all of our adhesives, our scissors, our markers, our blends, all that is tax-free for this weekend only each year. So just make sure to click the link below. I've also posted the August host code, so make sure to use that if your orders are under $150. If your orders are $150 or more, don't use the host code because I want you to take advantage of those host rewards. All right, thanks everybody for stopping by. I will see you back here on Saturday. Bye-bye.